Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing very well, and in today video I'm going to do this makeup look. This is more like a fresh and natural makeup look, and also it's very quick and super easy. It's like a turning yourself into more fab look within 5 to 7 minutes, and I just use 5 to 6 products, and which is amazing. And if you are office or school going girl, and I think you're gonna love this video. And also you can get yourself ready within 5 to 7 minutes. And in this video I choose my most favorite drugstore products, and you can obviously you can switch or add or minus products according to your preference or like. So for this makeup look I didn't use any foundation. I just little bit concealer, mascara and some blush, and just ready to go. So if you want to know how I get this look, then keep watching. So first thing that I'm gonna use, that is LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is like my favorite concealer right now. And as you guys can see, some dark circles and dark spots on my face, which has to be covered instantly. So I'm applying my concealer on that area which I needs to be like conceal. Or for blend it out, either you can use your fingers or brush. I'm using my beauty sponge to blend this concealer. Now you can see it just perfectly cover my all dark spots and conceal my dark circles. It's very thin and lightweight concealer. That's why I'm obsessed with this concealer. So I love this concealer for everyday use. This is like, seriously, this is like my go-to concealer. So now we have covered up our dark circles, and my skin already look like even tone now. So next product we have Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I love this powder. It's such a nice and good quality product. I'm using this product for setting my base, and I'm in shade light medium. And if you are looking for a loose powder, I highly recommend that you love this product. Now we're gonna move on to the next product, that is Maybelline Brow Pencil. I love this product. You can choose whatever eyebrow pencil work for you. Now we're gonna move on to the lashes. I'm taking Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I love this mascara. This is like one of my favorite mascara. Maybelline has such a amazing mascaras. You can choose whatever mascara you like. Now you can see it just instantly or perfectly lift my lashes, and my eyes looks more open and alive. And also it is waterproof mascara, and you guys can wear it a whole day. So I love this mascara. So now we're gonna add little blush, and I think blush is so important during a day, and if you are in office, or especially if you have any presentation, it looks good. For that I'm using blush by Flower. I love this blush. It's so gives you such a nice and fresh look. For lips I have two options, one from Nykka and one from MAC. I love both shades. These both shades I think perfect for daily routine or for office or for college. And so this shade is more like a deep orange or red in tone, and this is like a more in brownish shade. So for today video I'm going with this shade from Nykka. So that's it. This is so simple or super easy, and it just use 5 to 6 products. And I hope you guys enjoyed and love this look, and if you did, please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel before you leave, and see you in my next video.